The World Cup just changed, and a lot of people watching have no idea. For the very first time, there's a round called the Round of 32. If you've never seen that before, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it works before the knockout games begin. Here's why it's new. This World Cup has 48 teams. That's the biggest ever. They were split into 12 groups with 4 teams in each group, and every team played 3 games. Now the group stage is over. So how do we go from 48 teams down to 1 winner? That's where the knockouts come in. First, we cut the field down to 32. The top 2 teams from each of the 12 groups move on. That's 24 teams right there. Then we add the 8 best third-place teams from across all the groups. 24 plus 8 gives us 32, and that is your round of 32. Now the rules change completely. In the group stage, a draw still earned you a point. Not anymore. From here, it's win or go home. Every game has a winner. Lose once, and your World Cup is over. That's what makes the knockouts so tense. From the round of 32, the winners move into the round of 16. Then the quarterfinals, then the semifinals, and then the final. Each round, half the teams go home. 32 becomes 16. 16 becomes 8, all the way down to the last 2. If you watched past World Cups, this feels different. They used to start the knockouts at the round of 16. Now there's an extra round in front of it. More knockout games, more upsets, and even a third-place team can go on a deep run. Anything can happen. And this is why the knockouts are the best part of the World Cup. In the group stage, a big team can lose a game and still bounce back. Not anymore. One bad night, and even a favorite is going home. That pressure is what creates the magic. A smaller team only has to win once to shock the world, and almost every World Cup, somebody does. So what if a knockout game ends in a tie? They play extra time, 2 short halves of 15 minutes each. If it's still level after that, it goes to a penalty shootout. In the knockouts, there are no draws. Somebody always advances. And every team is now on the same ladder. The favorites, the underdogs, and the host nations, including the United States, all of them are 1 loss away from going home. From here on, every single game matters. Here's a tip to watch like a pro. Once the bracket is set, you can trace your favorite team's whole path to the final. See who they play next, who's waiting in the round of 16, and which side of the bracket they're on. Suddenly every game matters, because it all shapes who your team could face. So here's the quick version. 48 teams, 12 groups, and the top finishers move into a brand new round of 32. Then it's win or go home, all the way to the final. Want to follow along like a pro? Grab the printable knockout bracket and prediction sheet from our watch kit, link below, and fill it in as the games happen. And if you're brand new to soccer, the free beginner guide below breaks down the whole tournament in plain English. See you in the next one.